So we have a KitchenAid, and the complaint on this unit, water into fresh food. Water was leaking on the floor, making a mess. As you can see, all that frost, ice built up. So we have a clogged drain is what we have. And a clogged drain can mimic a defrost issue, thermistor issue, sometimes even a board issue. Put the unit in diagnostic, make sure that everything is functioning before you start replacing parts. Now this unit was not the easiest to take apart. Not difficult, but if you don't know what you're doing, then it's a little detailed, but it can be done. Just be careful. You do have to dismantle quite a bit of it, the top, the ice maker, all that. So we're checking the drain right now. It was totally clogged. Oh yeah, it's good. So I just wanted to show you guys what to look for, and if you're having that issue, how you can go around or go about doing it. Like I said, it's about getting it defrosted. You will have to remove the ice maker, which is to the top left, the filter housing cover, which is to the right of the ice maker. All those pop down pretty easily. I will probably post a video on dismantling, but in the meantime, this is what to look for and how to fix it. That cover in the back, it comes out, bend, flex a little bit. You don't have to dismantle the entire fridge, but like I said, it's up there in getting it taken apart, but not too bad. And once she's all defrosted, make sure you get all the ice from the drain pan and get underneath the drain pan as well. If you leave ice in there, it's basically going to continue to build and it will not melt. So that unit does not have a heater. It uses hot gas to defrost the ice. It's a different system, but it functions just fine when everything is working properly. So it's a KitchenAid, Whirlpool made. Any of your other unit, Whirlpool, Genair, will still be the same. Alright guys, thanks for watching.